Here's how to use CapCut AI Clipper. The first thing that we need to do, of course, is to import a footage so we can clip it. Just click on the import button right here and click a file that you want to clip. For me, I'm gonna choose this gameplay. Now when you're done importing your file, you should see an AI Clipper button here in the bottom. Now to give you an example, I'm just gonna adjust the length of my footage, the part that I want to clip. Once you're ready, just click the AI Clipper button. It should pull up this window where you can tell the AI the preferences that you want when clipping. Let us say I want a montage, and let me set the duration on just auto. And let's say that I want highlights of my kills. Once you're done, just click on Get Clips, click Allow, and it should start making your clips for you. And if you want to see, we can see the clipping process here on the Import Media tab. Now what the AI is doing is it's picking clips from your footage that are most likely to keep the viewer's attention. Keep in mind that those clips are dependent on the customizations that you did earlier. Now once it's done, it should say your highlight clips are ready. Click on View, and you should be able to view the clips that the AI has prepared for you. As you can see here, the clip started with a kill, and I told the AI I want highlights of kills, so it's really working. You can see here it even fast forwarded the clip to the next scene where there's another kill. Once you're satisfied, just click on Save to Timeline. If not, just click Get Clips again to refresh it. Yeah, so that's how you use CapCut AI Clipper.